Welcome back to another Armadillo Designs hardware installation tutorial. Today we will be installing Molle door pockets. Installation should take roughly 15 minutes and can be done solo. Ensure you have the following tools before proceeding onward. Okay, let's get to it. To install the Molle door pockets, start by removing the 6mm by 1.0 bolts from the factory door pockets. The Molle door pockets can be installed with or without the factory mesh pockets. Once the bolts are removed, position the Molle door pocket in place and tighten it until snug. We recommend using a T-handle to finish securing each bolt into place. Repeat this entire process for the other side. And that's it! Your Molle door pockets are now installed. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.